Tyabb traffic, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor entering and rolling runway 35, departing on upwind for Moorabbin. Tyabb. That around.
Mark?
That's me.
Let's hope I'm on YouTube now.
What's your name?
Tyabb traffic, X52, cross rim runway 35. Vincent.
G'day. And see ya. Bye. Okay, airspeed's alive. Oil temperatures and pressures are in the green. 50. 60, up we go. It's nice and smooth, isn't it?
Beautiful. And Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172 Tango Bravo Lima is Brighton 1500, southbound coastal for Tyabb.
Tango Bravo Lima, and your level?
1500 Tango Bravo Lima.
Not a good idea.
Tango Bravo Lima. Copied. Sorry, it's the VFR lane, is it?
Affirmed, Bravo Lima.
Tango Bravo Lima, okay, there's obstruction traffic. Juliet Oscar Delta is a couple of miles south of Ricketts Point, northbound at 1500.
Looking Tango Bravo Lima, thanks.
Juliet Oscar Delta, traffic just at the Sandy Yacht Club southbound on the VFR route 1500.
What's VFR route over the water? Just the position again, sorry?
Sandringham Yacht Club.
Copy, Juliet Oscar Delta.
But I'm ready to call, and it's with Sierra.
Confirm.
Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor approaching Carrum 1500, inbound with Sierra.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Moorabbin Tower, join downwind runway 17 right.
17 right, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Uniform November, Zulu, clear to land.
Clear to land, Uniform November Zulu.
Nobody left, nobody centre, nobody right, 70 knots. Around. Final stage.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear to land.
Clear to land, Bravo Sierra Victor. Flat.
Yeah.
One Charlie.
X-ray Yankee Hotel, yeah, clearance not needed to go from there to the run-up, but it's only when you're ready to leave that you do need clearance.
Yeah, I beg your pardon, sir, we're at Gyro, so we'll need to taxi via Alpha to the run-up bay, that's all.
Via Alpha, affirm, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi to the run-up bay via Alpha, thanks. X-ray Yankee Hotel.
Moorabbin ground, Bravo Sierra Victor on Charlie, request taxi to the apron.
Bravo Sierra Victor, taxi to the apron.
Taxi to the apron, Bravo Sierra Victor.